What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're going to be taking a look at Vechain and its recent price action, along with some talk about news and fundamentals, and with a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. Before we begin, we'd just like to say thank you so much to everyone for their continued support, the likes and subscribers, Patreon and YouTube members, and all your amazing comments and sharing. We appreciate you all so much at the channel, and we've been growing amazingly fast recently, so thank you to all of you. Our community has been growing amazingly well, and it's all down to you guys, so thank you so much. If you want to support the channel, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and turn on bell notifications as well. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. In any instance, you can sign up to our free Telegram via the description. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So as we can see, Vechain has been correcting quite heavily in the market compared to some other cryptocurrencies. We've actually come back and retested the previous double bottom that we saw here, where Vechain actually came down and has retested around this $16 range, 16 cent range, sorry. This is something that we didn't see coming, particularly on this channel, because Vechain was actually performing very well. As you can see, it had broken out of this bull flag that we'd painted here and moved to the upside. Retested this high here. We thought it would probably come back down, retest this area of resistance here, support and resistance at around that level, and then move to the upside. But as we can see, the market-wide correction has hit Vechain pretty hard, and it's fallen down and then down again to retest this low level, where it does seem to have found very nice support now. We wouldn't expect Vechain to go beyond this, because as we can see, there was huge buying pressure below 15 and 16 cents. So we can't imagine that Vechain would be falling beyond this. Obviously, as we can see, it broke out of this bull flag to the upside, but then broke to the downside afterwards. But if we just adjust our perspective here, we can quite clearly see that things are still looking very bullish for Vechain, and we're actually just forming potentially another bull flag here on a longer time frame. As we can see, obviously we got the break to the upside and then the fake out to the downside, but it does look as though that we're holding very strong here. And as we can see, if I just put a few of these support and resistance zones further up so they're in more pertinent places, you can quite clearly see that there is a massive amount of buying pressure underneath 15 and 16 cents here. We wouldn't be expecting Vechain to break below these levels now. Obviously, it's been on an absolute tear recently, and there could be potential downwards price action for some people, but we don't see this personally at the channel. We're obviously very bullish on Vechain, and we do think that Vechain under 20 cents now is probably a good buy, not financial advice of course, simply because it does seem likely that Vechain, once it gets ahead of steam up, you can see quite clearly here that it has massive amounts of euphoria and potential to move. So we do think that, considering this here actually looks quite similar to this here, but on a smaller scale, we do think that Vechain's probably going to come back up and bounce around inside this bull flag maybe for the next week or so. But once it breaks to the upside, we can easily imagine that Vechain is definitely going to run very, very fast. Altcoin season is very, very close now, and Vechain is one of the prime candidates, in our opinion, to receive a massive amount of market cap from all of the meme coins that have been pumping, etc. So we do strongly believe that Vechain is going to perform very well this year. We still maintain that our $3 price target is a very reasonable target when you consider the parabola at the end of the run that's likely to happen. And we're probably going to have the biggest altcoin season ever in the history of cryptocurrency right now. So it seems very, very likely to us that Vechain is going to run very well once it breaks out of this consolidation and this bull flag that we're currently painting. Once this happens, it seems very likely to us that Vechain is going to break its all-time high here after probably coming back retesting, breaking its all-time high, 30, 40, 50 cent range here, maybe even 60 cents, because as we can see, once Vechain runs, it runs very fast. We could be seeing something like this again, of a similar kind of fractal as we can see here. That would easily take us to 50, 60 cents. And we do think if we can hit that $1 range, that $1 mark, essentially in the next month or so, then Vechain is going to be absolutely in prime position to hit that $3 price target that we've set. We strongly believe Vechain is going to perform very well this bull run, and we really like Vechain on the channel. It's got a massive amount of real world use case, really good adoption. It's bringing out more and more partnerships all the time. It's probably still undervalued considering what it's offering, so we do think Vechain is going to perform very well. It's a very strong crypto. So that's our update for Vechain today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below. Or you can sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're going to be offering a host of additional benefits, including coin calls, and the higher tiers gain one-to-one access to us personally, as well as a look at our personal portfolio, our daily research of cryptos with massive potential, and not to mention a 100x portfolio we're currently constructing. So please take advantage of that there. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by depositing $100 using the link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money, so there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. Also, make sure to hit the like button as it helps the channel out so much, so if you're a fan of the channel, please just go ahead and tap the like button now. Currently only 10% of viewers are subbed, and we'd love to see our community grow more, so please hit the big red subscribe button as well. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links, for discounts, and free crypto. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.